Here at Niagara Parks, we're innovating the way that we grow in greenhouses. Behind me here, we have some hydroponic towers that we've been utilizing to maximize the space that we have here in the greenhouse and growing our lettuce and herbs vertically. The benefits of hydroponics is that there's an advantage of recycling water. It helps us direct our nutrients right to the plant roots, but it also is a system where the water will come back and re-add nutrients so that it's not being wasted. One of my favorite opportunities here at the School of Horticulture is in the winter we have projects that we can choose from, and one of those projects that we can choose from is these hydroponic towers. It gives us as students an opportunity to delve into new innovations in greenhouse technologies and growing. In addition to our microgreens that are sent to the Niagara Parks restaurants, we have these hydroponic towers that are meeting the needs of the restaurants and the chefs with more locally grown produce and veggies to help provide more sustainability and less transportation costs. And I think that's a really beneficial way of doing it.